In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the December copper futures, which are on a 3-session winning streak and testing the top of the recent range. Now, copper hasn't been able to break out of the range that it's been trading in since around October 3rd. It's a short range, but in a short channel that it's been in. But it has gained roughly 3% over the last 3 sessions of its recent rally. The low today was 5.0675, down 0.84%, and the high today was 5.1515, up 0.80%. As we come into the close of the future session, we're only up 0.1%, so it pulled back. Copper finished strong on the week, though, up 2.93%, and it's the 4th of the last 5 weeks that copper has settled higher. Now, the meeting between President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping is set for next week during the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit in South Korea. Now, it's interesting, this will be their first face-to-face meeting since President Trump's second term began. Trump has threatened to impose 100% tariffs on Chinese imports if no deal is reached, while Beijing has tightened restrictions on rare earth exports. Markets are watching closely as any reduction in trade frictions could boost the outlook for industrial demand, and any boost in industrial demand and this kind of optimism on trade could certainly firm up copper demand and firm up copper prices. The CPI data this morning in the US may have been troubling overall, but it kept the Fed on a rate cut path. Now, why do I say it was troubling? I say it was troubling because the year-over-year headline and the year-over-year core CPI both remained at 3%. That's a full 100 basis points, or 1% in regular speak, above the Fed's target. But they were both lower than expected, and both month-over-month readings, that's headline and core, were also lower than expected. So this keeps the Fed on its rate cut path, according to market participants, which is likely positive for copper.